Okay everyone, what we got here is this SMC Royal Flush Model U42 Ceiling Fan. I got this at the Salvation Army store for $5, I think. It was back in 2017 and pretty happy I got it. And it was brand new in the box. And it also came with its own pull chain, which says SMC on there. And there's your cane, plain oak on the other side, and of course those stamped steel brackets. But I don't care. I actually like those type of brackets or the others. I do like the cane though, the tight weave cane. I also have another set of blades that are stencil I can put up at some time. Anyway, let's go ahead and give it a demo. Starting with the light. Step down. Pretty nice. Then we'll turn it off. And then start it on low. So there's low. It hums. There's medium. And there's high. I think it's a fast runner too. Show you the air mover. And we'll go ahead and turn it off, which I'm gonna plug it off. On that one. There we go. And there you have it. Enjoy.